guys. Hi everyone. Thanks for joining me in my channel. Yeah, I'm still in Antibes and this is our today's Saturday. Yeah, this is our 6th day here in Antibes and guys, it's amazing. Antibes French Riviera is wow, fantastic, awesome. I can tell you from our own experience, the travel, the place, everything has been so perfect and I cannot regret coming here. Maybe I give you one of my backgrounds here, you can just have a look. I'm heading to Port Varu. Varu is the name. Yes. So, yeah, that's where we leave behind. Where you see that wherever. And where I'm heading to is right there. That glass Vauban. Vauban. Port Vauban. Yeah, that's where I'm heading to. This place is just the place to be. You want to experience south of French, come here. Weather is fantastic, the beaches, the people, everything. The, the Mediterranean Sea is also awesome. I'm going to show you something. This is where I am. À la mémoire des marins, Paris and mer. This is what is written there. I'm not good in French, but yeah, I'm trying. Oh my god, yeah. And let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. What I'm telling you guys, this place, oh Jesus, full of luxury. Everything is fantastic. Look at this. This is a yacht, somebody's yacht. Oh my god, ain't this amazing? Ain't this amazing? Jesus Christ, so astonished. I'm amazed. All this place, the whole place is fully occupied. You can just see that's the background. The yachts everywhere, the ships, the marine, that's the port. Wow, beautiful. You just stare at everything here. Yeah, I have no words really to describe the beauty of this place. I'd like to take you a bit closer to the yacht, private yacht that I have here before me. The name is the Creek. Jesus Christ, this is like dreaming, like I'm dreaming. It's a movie or I don't know. This is a yacht. Look at this. Look at this. Yes. Let me take to another one. That's just right opposite here. These people are damn rich. My goodness, my good Lord. This is what I have here. Can you imagine? Can you imagine for yourself? Maybe you cannot see this.